Welcome back to Car Warrior 2025. Today, we dive into the future of luxury with the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the brand's first fully electric coupe. This car blends elegance with cutting-edge technology, redefining what it means to drive in ultimate comfort. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, safety, and pricing, so stay tuned. Exterior. The Spectre carries the iconic Rolls-Royce DNA but with a futuristic twist. The signature Pantheon grille is illuminated, making a bold statement. Its sleek fastback design enhances aerodynamics, while the Spirit of Ecstasy has been re-sculpted for efficiency. The 22-inch aero wheels and striking LED headlights give it an ultra-modern presence. This is more than just a car, it's a rolling masterpiece. Performance. Under the hood, well, technically, there's no hood engine here. The Spectre packs a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering 584 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. This luxury coupe accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds, impressive for a car weighing nearly 3 tons. The active suspension and four-wheel steering ensure an unbelievably smooth and responsive ride. And with a range of around 300 miles (480 kilometers) per charge, it's practical too. Interior. Step inside, and you're welcomed by the epitome of luxury. The Starlight headliner, now extending to the doors, creates a celestial ambiance. High-end leather, wood veneers, and metal accents define the cabin's craftsmanship. The curved digital dashboard, powered by the Rolls-Royce Spirit software, offers intuitive controls. Every seat is a throne of comfort, with heated, ventilated, and massaging functions. Safety features. Luxury meets advanced safety with Rolls-Royce's latest driver assist technology. The Spectre includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system. The carbon aluminum spaceframe enhances structural rigidity, ensuring maximum protection. Pricing. As expected, exclusivity comes at a price. The Rolls-Royce Spectre starts at $420,000, with customization options pushing it well beyond $500,000. It's not just a car, it's a statement of ultimate prestige. That wraps up our look at the Rolls-Royce Spectre. What do you think about this electric masterpiece? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury car reviews. Thanks for watching Car Warrior 2025. See you in the next one.